Hello everybody, it is your girl Bria Van Kooten and I am back with a new video. As you guys can see, I am back with another unboxing video. We've had hauls, we've had unboxings, and I'm back with another one. As you guys know, I'm a shopaholic. I be shopping, buying new things. So I got a new Balenciaga item and I'm gonna unbox it with you guys and show you guys what I got. So if you want to see what I ended up getting from Balenciaga, which you probably will tell because it's in the title, but if you want to see what I got, definitely stay tuned and let's get into Alright, so this item that I got from Balenciaga, obviously you guys can see from the title, they are some triple S's, there's some sneakers. I bought these sneakers back in December. I literally bought it on December 31st, the last day of 2020. I went out and I went shopping with my brothers and we ended up going to the Balenciaga store and Balenciaga had a sale. And I was like, you know what? I've been wanting my triple S's for a while, so what better day to buy it than to buy it today? We're out, it's the last day of 2020. I'm feeling good, we out, we shopping, and they have a sale, so why not? And I was about to get like a clothing item, and then I thought about it, and the clothing item I was about to get, it was the same price as the sneaker. And I believe it was a little bit more than the sneaker. So I was like, I might as well get some shoes than getting this sweater. Like, to me, shoes is more justifiable spending this amount and I could wear it over and over and over rather than a clothing item that I might wear once or twice because that's just how I am. So I know I'll wear the shoes more than I'll wear the clothing item. So I asked the sales associate if they had my size in the triple S's, and I usually a US size 7. Obviously this is a European shoe, so it runs European sizing, so they go by like 36, 37, 38, like that. So they didn't have a size 7, which would be equivalent to like a 37. They didn't have that. Said that they did have a 36. So I was like, you know what? They had a 36 out in another color in display. So I tried on the 36 in another color, and I was like, oh, these fit amazing. Like, they fit perfectly. So I'm guessing the triple S's run probably a little bit big. So I was like, okay, can you bring me the 36 in the color that I wanted? And she brought it for me and I ended up getting them. Like I said, I got these in December, so I have worn them. I worn them twice already. So I did go to the store, got the Balenciaga bag. So I wore them twice already. The 36 fit so good. My shoe sizing anyways runs, I can wear a 6.5 to a 7 depending on the cut of the shoe and the style of the shoe. I can also wear a 6. I have shoes that are size 6. Depending on the cut of the shoe, the make of the shoe, the designer, I could go down to a size 6, 6.5, and 7. So my feet runs weird like that, but I'm pretty sure that's with everybody depending, like I said, on the style and the cut of the shoe. So the 36 was perfect, like literally so perfect. It fits so perfect, and it even had a little bit of space in it. So that's how I know these definitely run a little bit big. So yeah, just took it out the box. I mean, out the bag. So we got the box. As you guys can see, it is the gray box with the black lettering that says Balenciaga, and the bag matches the box. So like I said, I wore these twice already. They are super comfortable. Like, I know people look at them and be like, they look heavy, they're chunky, obviously they look heavy, but they are super comfortable. I love chunky shoes, so I have been in love with these since they came out. I've wanted these, as you guys, if you remember, if you watch my channel that long, I bought some Balenciaga speed trainers back in 2018 when I went to Paris with my brother for Paris Fashion Week, and I unboxed it here on my channel. If you have never seen that video, I will definitely link it up here in the cards. But originally I wanted the triple S's, but in the Balenciaga store in Paris, it was all sold out. They only had one size left, and it was a size 9. the triple S's were all gone. So I ended up getting the speed trainers, and it was the neon green. So it was different. I was like, oh, these are fly. I did sell them because I didn't really wear them that much. I ended up selling them. But originally I did want the triple S's. So finally have them in my possession. I love them. Like I said, I love chunky shoes. And I wanted this color specifically. So take it out. We got our little card with the receipt and all that in it. Balenciaga. We open it. I'm gonna tell you guys the pricing. So the girl who helped me was Maya. So shout out to Maya. She was super nice. Originally, if you don't know the triple S's, these are about $9.90, $9.95. They came down to $679, and then with tax, I ended up paying $739.27. So I saved a cute coin because it was, like I said, it's originally $9.95. So then with tax, it probably would have been like $1,050, $1,060. So I definitely saved a couple dollars, which is always great for me. So then we have the dust bag, of course, same color as the box in the bag. We got the gray with the black lettering, the black drawstring. So you know this is good for like travel. And then open it like so. And I got the white, black, and purple joints. This is the color that I wanted. I have been wanting this specific colorway for so long. So the side has all the little deets on it, but I wanted this color. I fell in love with this specific color. So cute, like the white with the purple and the black with the little gray. I love this colorway so much. So much. Like, as soon as I saw it, I was like, nah, if I ever get these shoes, this is the color that I want. No other color. Like, I'm super excited that she had the size that fit me. And yeah, this is it. So let's go into the details. We have Balenciaga here to the right side. And then over here, we have the sizing in the front. It says a 36. And then we have on the tongue, it says triple S right over here. And then we have the multicolored laces. We have the little purple loops, and then the black and white lacing. And like I said, as you can see, it's gray. It's like a dark gray. It's not even a black. It's like a dark gray into purple into white. So love them. Got the purple in the back. And then underneath it, in the sole, it says Balenciaga right there. Super cute, super dope, chunky. I love these. I will insert a picture of when I wore them. One of the times that I did wear them, I'll show you guys how I styled them. But I love to wear these with like wide leg pants. Anytime I wear some type of like chunky shoe, I have to throw on like a wide leg pant, a wide leg jeans, something wide leg. Even if I do want to style it with like a skirt, but the skirt needs to be like an oversized skirt. I just love to give an oversized look with a chunky shoe, just cause the balance of it and the juxtaposition is amazing. I hate when I see like a skinny jean with a chunky shoe. Like, I don't know, I cannot. I cannot. It either for me has to be a wide leg or a straight leg. But a skinny pant or a skinny jean with like a chunky shoe, it just throws it off of me. Like, super cute, super comfortable, chunky. They are a little bit heavy. I'm not even gonna lie, they are a little bit heavy, but it's nothing that you can't not wear it. Hold on. So yes guys, that is it. If you guys want these, I will definitely find them and I will link them below if you want to shop them. And I'll also link some of my other favorite triple S's and like Balenciaga shoes. I'll link it in my description box down below if you guys want to shop them. But like I said, I've been wanting these for a while, so I'm super excited that I have them in my possession. And yeah, new collection, new to the collection, new added to the luxury collection, the luxury designer collection, added to my Balenciaga collection, because you know, Balenciaga is definitely real cute, definitely one of my favorite designers. So new things to the collection. I have this Balenciaga hoodie that I wore probably 2 or 3 times. I definitely want to style them with this, like a wide leg pant with the Balenciaga hoodie, and then those. Definitely gonna style that soon, but I do have some outfits in mind that I want to style with them. So yeah, that is it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, you already know, give it a thumbs up. Comment down below, let me know what you think. Do you have the Balenciaga Triple S's? Let me know what you think. Are they comfortable? Do you like them? What color do you have? Comment that down below. Definitely subscribe to the channel if you want to see more. I have more unboxings coming. Guys, I have been shopping. I have another unboxing coming. I have another haul coming. Yes, you know, I can go like a couple months without shopping, and then all of a sudden it just be like, all right, we buying all of this. So that's how it is sometimes over here with Miss Bria, okay? But yeah, definitely like this video, definitely subscribe, comment down below, and definitely follow me on my social medias at Bria Van Kooten, my Twitter and my Instagram. And I will see you guys in my next video. Definitely check out my previous videos. I did my Telfar unboxing last week, so check that out. I will link it in the cards, and go check out my other videos. All right. Peace, love, deuces.